Hello everyone, my name is Sneha. I'm working at IMCO Alloys Private Limited India as an assistant manager in core sector. Today we will talk about the different types of hammers available in the industries right now. These hammers are being used in the rotor crusher assembly of hammers. The hammer crushers are basically used to crush the raw material like clinker, limestone, slag, dolomite and the coal. These hammers assemblies are used in steel, powers, cement and the coal industries. Right now in the conventional market, these hammers are made by the magnet steel hammers. The magnet steel is basically used to crush the material by analyzing these properties. And work hardening is the process actually. After the work hardening process, only 40 to 45 HRC hardness is achieved by this material. But this is not used for the abrasional and the erosional wear. So as per the metallurgy and the working conditions, we give the solutions to these industries. So thank you so much for watching us.